Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 X1. Based on the BMW 3 Series, the X1 is a compact crossover SUV, slightly smaller than the X3. The X1 gives you all the refinements, power, and style of other BMWs in a slightly smaller, sporty, and easy-to-navigate option, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, keyless entry, power liftgate, dual airbags, panoramic moonroof, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.